Watch out, buddy. You're at the corner. You need to stop, okay?
Bye.
Alright, stop here. Stop, stop, stop. Alright, do you see any cars?
No.
Yes, I hear a car. That one right there. Alright, it's not coming this way, so we can go. Go ahead. It's not coming. No. Let's go.
Bye.
Benjamin, not in the middle of the street, puppy. Go ahead and cross the street. Whoa, whoa. Oh, oh.
I need help.
You need help. There you go, buddy.
Bye.
I don't think Daddy can hear you anymore, puppy. What is it? Yeah, we're crossing a puddle, a very shallow one. Good job!